Boo. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is the second video on my channel. And if you're not already subscribed, I know where you live. And if you are subscribed, I love you. If you're weird and didn't see my last video, you might be wondering, oh my god, you have the finger Peter! Wait, I have the finger Peter! Oh my god! Yeah, that. Well, it's a whole secret, but I'll tell you because you're so awesome and you subscribed, right? Yeah. So if you're not awesome, that's because you didn't subscribe and I can't tell you the secret. So I'm going to give you 3 seconds to subscribe, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, you did it? Okay, I can tell you the secret. It's fake. Yeah, it's a cosmetics mod, so nobody else can see this. It's kind of sad. Anyways, what are we doing in today's video? Did I already say that? Today, we are going to be pressing this button. Yes, this one. 100 times. Let's go. Oh shoot, I'm in a public lobby. Okay, all we gotta do to get to that button is press, is complete the obstacle course. Hey, also, one more thing. I feel like Gorilla Tag should make the comp course a teensy bit harder because a bunch of 5-year-olds are getting into competitive queues asking to play minigames and it's getting kind of annoying. I'll even show you how easy this course is. Oh, let's get around there and look, first try. Made it to the first jump already. Oh, we're cooking, guys. Oh my god, we're going absolutely insane. Okay, first attempt. No. Oh my god, this. Bro, no! Oh my god. Oh no! Let's go. Oh, let's go! We did it. First try. Wait! However many likes this video gets is the amount of time I will press this button. But that will be a future episode. Also, if you enjoy this video and you would like it to become a series, then hit the like button. Okay, let's go. Let's just get straight into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 68, 69. 70. 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 99. What? Are you subscribed? You better be. 100. Wow! I found!